Now we try configure Televideo Model 910 with Dragon 64, same as Digital VT 320, and test this terminal if working or not.
In my last episode on Dragon 64 demonstration with the external serial terminal, I tried to use my old Televideo Model 910 touch terminal and have some unexpected issues, like can receive some characters, but when I press keyboard appears not response. But I have a surprise because not a keyboard issue.
COM port connected to the big terminal and try to switch on. Okay, terminal appears CPU to be ready and waiting to the cursor blinking. I had cursor, but doesn't work. I try to send any message to this terminal from Dragon, from OS 9 with echo command, redirect terminal to hello terminal. I tried to not put it very well, the cable on the back, and now we try to send another message, hello terminal, and now I have another message in the terminal from Dragon, but we try to starting logging on this terminal, and what I see, maybe do nothing. Not receiving anything into the monitor. I tried maybe login terminal 1. Nothing. Break. Login terminal 1. Nothing. Nothing to do. Echo another message to the terminal, to the port serial. Oh, that's it. Login, but not works very fine. Testimon. I repeat. Not works properly. Not precise. Maybe we need to check with the oscilloscope, with the ACIA chip. The terminal receives any data and puts that on the screen, but not sends any character to the computer. Maybe we need check the ACIA a serial chip inside the terminal. We need to check, because when I interrupt, I try to make a login to terminal 1, do nothing until press abort and do nothing. Login. Redirect terminal 1. Works. Have a lot of do nothing, not responds anything. Maybe I created a lot of terminal. Do some sounds without props. Okay. Oh. That's not work properly. 6 box blowing to 1. Waiting username, but not works. Not sent anything. Maybe try to put the oscilloscope to this. To you try put oscilloscope and see what's to do this. Maybe see the schematics and check. It's not very it's a little annoying to open this terminal. That's okay. This is the main board of terminal. This is a serial ACIA. This is a typical 6551A. This is a CPU. It's typical MOS 65002. This is a CRT controller. And what happened with this chip?
Then I find the manual, the service manual from terminal, and review all troubleshooting different steps, like enable transmit to computer or enable receive from computer. The manual say that existing two different ICs that in charge the convert signals to the TTL from RS-232 signals, 75188 and 75189 is in charge to convert the signals. First we check the 75188 75188 chip is in the middle between the ACI 6551 and the DB25 connector, and we beginning check this pin 2 and 3 of the A10 IC.
And put the ground and the 10 pin. The CPU works. With data. We have data. When push the any keys, the ACI chip works. But I think we have a problem with the driver that compares the TTL signals to our standard serial port. Maybe get the 1A that outputs the invert to the port 3. 1, 3. not put, no, not out any signal. Not. Maybe we try to replace this chip with a newer one. First, this not appear any signal on this. To try to put no signal detect on this, or increase of the voltage. Not see anything. Not see anything in port 3. Port 2, but not. This is an input. Huh? This is not an output. This is an input signal, but in output, not see anything. Well, maybe first check the datasheet of 751188 to ensure if works correct or not. But I think with these checks with oscilloscope, this is not a ACI problem. Maybe is a driver problem, because it's in the middle of the port. This is a 1A, pin 2, pin 2, the output is 3, but the signal 3 do nothing. We're starting to try to replace this IC. First, need to remove the board from the system. Stuck connectors. Need to remove all the connections and remove the IC clip and remove all connection from the board, and then need to remove the screws. Okay, let's go to try to replace this driver from board. This is SN from Texas Instruments, SN75188. This is actually is existing in some providers like a Farnell, an European electronic components provider. Then we replace. This is a compact version of Televideo Model 910. This is a revision number of this board. I found the schematics, and now remove the terminal from table. This is a big terminal. First I remove this chip and put the socket on it. First we need to must be change and renew the solder iron for avoiding remove the old IC over it. Okay. Oh. First need the visual check of any pads. Try to get care for extra chip. Okay. Take care. Be careful to reflow some pads. Maybe take very care and do this. Okay. Now we'll remove all the chip and then we need to reflow some pads and take some isopropanol. Isopropanol alcohol, and then now we put the socket for the new chip. some parts not very reworked well. Maybe this and that. This part's not reworked very well because it's not open enough. Some bended parts. Okay. We have a socket on the replacement chip. Merda. Se queda como tonto. Now we solder well this socket. First we fit some pads on the cleaning can. Okay, visual inspection of new soldered pads, and you had socket. Now we try to replace with the new driver ACIA 75188 from Farnell provider. To adjust the pins over the pads, and okay, let's replace it. New chip. Now put reworked board over okay. Maybe it fits with the one screw. Cool. Two screws.
Now we retesting with the replaced 75188 chip and make the new test one and check if the when keyboard press character sends to serial port to computer.
Oh, beeps. Oh well. Ow. Oh, that's it. That works. Some people think the freaking works. Okay, we repaired the Televideo terminal and it works. I tried to put my username of OS9. Oh, they have a session of OS9. It works. I simply replace the drivers that converts the TTL signals to RST232. Is a old driver, is old in stock. Is SN75188 driver is failed and replace it with new one, and it works.